Hey everyone, welcome back to Architect Talks. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to use a single SSH key pair for all my AWS regions. In general, whenever you created an EC2 instance, AWS will generate a key pair for you. What you will do, you will download that key pair and then you will use that key pair to log into your EC2 instance. But due to the security concerns, I don't want to use the AWS managed key pair and I want to generate my own key pair and I want to use the same key pair in all the regions. Okay, how can I achieve that? In a simple way, what I will do, I will create a custom SSH key pair from my Linux machine and I will upload that key pair in all my AWS regions in a automated way. Once we are done with the practice, I will show you how to delete that key pair in all the AWS regions in an automated way. Let's see in the practice. I'm here with my Linux box. Before we start doing the practice, there are a few prerequisite things you have to follow. One is you have to install AWS CLI on your Linux box and then you have to configure by using access key and secret access key. Okay, once you are done with those two things, what you have to do, you have to generate SSH key pair by using ssh-keygen command 20 RSA. So what I'm doing, I'm generating private key and public key. So if you see .ssh directory, there are two files. One is id underscore rsa, which is a private key, and id underscore rsa dot pub, which is a public key. So in our case, what I'm going to do, I'm uploading this id underscore rsa dot pub file into all the AWS region. To simplify that, what I did, I wrote a shell script to imported my id underscore rsa.pub file into all the AWS regions. Let's see the shell script. So if you see my shell script, what I'm doing, first I'm asking to enter the name of the key pair, which is a key value pair. Whenever you created a key pair manually, you have to give the key pair name. So I'm entering that value here. In the second line, what I'm doing, I'm running this command by AWS EC2 describe region and hyphen query regions dot region name hyphen output text. If you run this command, it will give the list of regions from your AWS account. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm storing that list of regions in AWS underscore region variable. Now what I'm doing, I'm calling each region by using for loop. After that, what I'm doing, I'm using AWS EC2 import key pair command to import my PEM file into the each region. Okay. Okay. Message ssh.sh. So I'm just entering demo-1 is my key pair name. If you see, now it is importing the key pair each region, importing key pair EU North 1, AP South 1. So it is importing the key pair to each region. Let's jump into the console and see whether our key pair is imported or not. This is my AWS console and I am here in Frankfurt region, and what I'm doing, I'm just go to the EC2, and if you see, go to the key pairs, demo1. So if you see, demo1 key pair is imported. Let's try to launch an instance with this demo1 key pair and try to connect with my custom private key. Okay, go to dashboard, click on running instance, and click on launch instance, and select any one of the instance. In my use case, I am selecting Ubuntu machine, and review and launch directly, and then click on launch and select the key pair which we have imported recently. In my case, demo1, and click on launch instance. Okay, let's wait for few minutes. So if you see, my instance got created, and they collect this public IP and go to your OT, and then try to connect .ssh. Okay, ssh -i id underscore rc ubuntu @ my instance IP address, and then enter. If you see, I successfully connect to my Ubuntu instance. Okay, now let's see the process of deleting the key pair which we have created earlier. To simplify our task, what I did, I wrote a shell script. By using that shell script, we are going to delete the key pairs which we have created earlier. Okay, let's see the shell script. Okay, if you see my shell script, what I'm doing, first I'm passing this command to get the list of regions, and I'm storing that information in AWS underscore region variable. After that, what I'm doing, I'm using a for loop to call the each region, and I'm passing AWS EC2 delete -key pair command to delete the key pair in each region. Let's run the shell script and see the output. Okay, if you see, I'm successfully able to delete the key pair in each region. Let's jump into the console and verify whether the demo1 key pair is successfully deleted or not. Okay, now if you see, I don't have any key pairs with demo-1. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any queries, you can send me an email to rptechtalk@gmail.com, or you can send me a message through Messenger or through LinkedIn. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thank you.